Good morning students, you all are welcome to today's online class. In the previous class I have given one homework question. I hope you all are completed, isn't it? Shall we start today's class students? All of you take your note and book. Let's write the example 6.24. An aeroplane sets off from G on a bearing of 24 degree towards H, a point 25 km away. At height it changes course and heads towards J, deviates further by 55 degree and a distance of 180 km away. Here four subdivisions are given. First one is how far is height to the north of G. Second one, how far is height to the east of G. How far is J to the north of H. How far is J to the east of H. Okay, and some values also given: sin 24, sin 11, cos 24, cos 11. Okay, so the question is somewhat lengthy, isn't it? But answer is very simple. Listen carefully. If you are listening carefully, easily you can understand. Okay, here directions mentioned now. So first of all, let us consider the directions. We know the directions: east, west, north, south, isn't it? Let us consider the directions. Okay, so north, south, east, west. Okay, mention it. Then it is given initial point, starting point, sets off from G and it turned 24 degree and it reached H. From there further turned 55 degree and reached J. It is given. Okay, note this point. Now let us give the diagram. By that you can understand easily. Okay, what is given? An aeroplane sets off from G. Okay, let's give the G point. It sets off from here, G. Okay, from here it should go straightly. Okay, but it should go straightly, but it is not going straightly. It is turning 24 degree and it is reached the point H. Okay, so starting point G, it should go straightly, but it is 24 degree turning and it is going 250 kilometer. It is traveling. Okay, 250 kilometer after it reaches the point H. Okay, so through this H let us draw the horizontal line. Okay, after 250 km it reaches the point H and again it is turning 54 degree turning. Okay, from H it is turning 55 degree and it travel 180 km. Okay, 180 km and it reaches the point J. Okay, let us take it as J. So let us join this. Did you understand the diagram, student? See here. It is the initial position, starting position. From starting position, it should go straightly, but it is straightly not going. It is from here 24 degree turning and going 250 km after it reaches the point H. Okay, from that again it is turning 55 degree and it is 180 km after 180 km. Okay, 180 km after it reaches the point J. Okay, from J let us join the vertical line. Okay, to get right triangle. Okay, now height, here let us name it I. Height I J, and here also this point name it J. O, it is 90 degree. So GOH and HIJ, we have two right triangles. Okay, using this two right triangle we can get the answer. Okay, this line if you need extend and join here. Okay, so we have four subdivisions. First one is how far is height to the north of G. Okay, north means this direction. Okay, here G to this direction. So OG. So first we have to find out OG. Okay, for OG we can use this right triangle GOH. Okay, in right triangle GOH it is 90 degree. Right triangle, no, this angle is 90 degree, this angle is 24 degree. So what about this angle? Can you say, we know in a triangle sum of the three angles are 180 degree. Using that concept, here this is 90 degree, it is 24 degree. So 90 degree plus 24 degree plus x equal to 180 means, what about this? So 90 plus 24, that is 114 plus x equal to 180. X equal to 180 minus 114, that is 66 degree. So this angle is 66 degree. Did you understand, student, how it is 66? Total is 180. This sum of this both we have 114. Total 180. So this will be 180 minus 114. That is 66 degree. Okay. Let's do the first subdivision. Okay. For that we are using the right triangle GOH. In this right triangle GOH, let us identify the sides first of all. Okay. Opposite of this 90 degree we know that hypotenuse side. Okay. And opposite of angle theta is opposite side. Okay, here theta is 24 degree. This one only given angle. Okay, so let us take theta here. Cos 24 value is given. So cos 24, sin 24, sin 11, cos 11 is given. So this one only we have to consider. Okay, so theta is 24 degree. So opposite of this theta is opposite side. So nearest to this theta is adjacent side. Understood, students? This one hypotenuse, opposite, adjacent side. Okay, first subdivision is how far is height to the north of G. So north means this direction. So OG distance we have to find out. So OG means here adjacent side. So here hypotenuse value is there, adjacent we have to find out. Opposite not necessary. Opposite is not given. So if we use opposite and adjacent, we cannot find out. Hypotenuse value is there, adjacent we have to find out. So cos ratio we have to take now. Did you understand, student, why we are taking the cos ratio here? Adjacent we have to find out. Hypotenuse value is there. Okay, we know cos theta equal to adjacent by hypotenuse. So cos ratio we are going to use here. Okay, let's write in right triangle GOH. In right triangle, first subdivision let's do. Okay, in right triangle GOH, cos theta equal to formula, right, adjacent side by hypotenuse side. Okay, that is cos theta value is given 24 degree equal to adjacent side is OG. See here adjacent is OG. OG by hypotenuse side is 250. Okay, by hypotenuse side is 250. So cos 24 value is given in the question, that is 0.9135 equal to OG only we have to find out by 250. Okay, let us cross multiply. OG equal to 250 into 0.9135. Okay, multiply and write OG equal to, when we multiply these two values, leave the decimal and multiply. Last you can give the decimal. Okay, we get 228.38 kilometer. You have to multiply and write. Okay, so distance of heights to the north of G equal to 228.38 kilometer. Understood, student? In the same way, second subdivision we are going to do. Second subdivision is how far is heights to the east of G. Means this direction, east of G. Okay, so O to east of G. O to heights distance. OH distance we have to find out. That is second subdivision. Okay, OH we have to find out. So the same right triangle we are using. OH we have to find out. Here also hypotenuse value is there. Using first subdivision we have adjacent. So opposite side we have to find out. For that is sin theta equal to opposite by hypotenuse. Here hypotenuse value is there. Adjacent also is there. So tan ratio also can be used. So either sine or tan can be used here. Okay. Let us use the sine ratio. Okay. Let's take in right triangle OGH or GOH. In right triangle GOH, sine theta equal to. Okay. Sine theta equal. Sine theta is opposite by hypotenuse. Formula, right? Opposite by hypotenuse. That is theta is given 24 degree is equal to opposite is OH by hypotenuse 250. So sine 24 value is given 0.4067 equal to OH by 250. Okay, let's cross multiply. That is 0.4067 into 250 equal to OH. Okay, multiply. So OH equal to 101.68 kilometer. Okay, multiply and we have to write. Leave the decimal and multiply and write. Okay, therefore we can write distance h to east of G is 101.68 kilometer. Third subdivision is how far is J to the north of H. Okay, north means this direction. So JI we have to find out. Third subdivision, JI we have to find out. So for that we have to use the triangle HIJ, right triangle HIJ. This one we have to use. So for that we need this angle. Okay, this angle is not given, we don't know. Here actually this angle is 66. This both we can say vertically opposite angles. Okay, vertically opposite angles are always equal. So it is 66. Already this much is 55 we got. So this much will be 11. Okay, total 66. Okay, so it is 11 degrees. Total 66. Now we can use the HIJ. So here just identify the sides. What is up here? Angle we are considered here. So it is opposite side. It is adjacent side. It is hypotenuse side. Okay. So here we have to find the opposite side. So what ratio can be used? Sine ratio can be used. Okay. Let's do the third subdivision. Okay. Listen here. In right triangle HIJ, sine 11 degree. Sine 11 degree equal to opposite side. That is IJ by hypotenuse side HJ. Okay, that is sine 11 degree is given in the question. This value is given 0.8 equal to IJ by HJ. What is HJ now? 180 kilometer it is given. Now cross multiply it. 0.1908 into 180 equal to IJ. Okay, multiply we get. So we get 34.34 kilometer. Okay. So distance J to the north of H is 34.34 kilometer. Okay. Shall we do the fourth subdivision? Fourth subdivision is how far is J to the east of H. Okay. So east means this direction. So HIJ distance we have to find out. For that the same right triangle HIJ can be used. Here we have to find this adjacent side. So adjacent means cos ratio can be used. Okay. So let's write in right triangle HIJ cos 11 equal to cos theta equal to formula is adjacent by hypotenuse. That is HIJ by HJ. The cos 11 value is 0.9816. It is given. Okay. Equal to HJ by 180 is HJ value. Okay, from the diagram. That is, let us cross multiply 0.9816 into 180 equal to HJ. Let us multiply as usual multiplication. Okay, leave the decimal and multiply and write. We get 176.69. Okay, that is HJ. So it can be HJ is equal to 176.69 kilometer. Therefore, distance of J to the east of H is 176.69 kilometer. Okay, understood students? Next, let's write the example 6.25. Two trees are standing on flat ground. The angle of elevation of top of both the trees from a point X on the ground is 40 degree. if the horizontal distance between x and the smaller tree is 8 meter and the distance of the top of the two trees is 20 meter. Calculate. Two questions are there. First one, the distance between the point x and the top of the smaller tree. Second one, the horizontal distance between the two trees. Okay, here cos 40 value is given 0.7660. Okay, let's give the diagram, by that you can understand easily. Okay, two trees are standing. So let us take here a tree. Okay, and one more tree. Two trees. The angle of elevation of the top of the both the trees from a point x. Take the point here, that is x. Join the horizontal level. It is ground level. Okay, ground level. It is x. It is top of the first tree, top of the smaller tree. Join. Let us join both the tree with the point x joined. Here angle of elevation is given. Top of this tree and this tree is given 40 degree. And horizontal distance between x and the smaller tree means x2, it is smaller tree. So this distance is given 8 meter, as well as distance of the top of both the tree. This distance. Okay, this distance top of both the tree, it is given 20 meter. 20 meter. Calculate the distance between the point x and the top of the smaller tree. It is smaller tree. So x to top of the smaller tree. This distance we have to find out, as well as horizontal distance. This line here. First is top, this one, biggest tree, smallest tree. Here this distance one is horizontal distance between these two trees. Okay, so this distance also we have to find out. Let us name this diagram AB. AB is the first tree. Okay, as well as CD is the second tree. And this point of observation, it is x. We have to find out AC and DX. Understood, students? We have to find out the distance between XD and AC. AC means distance between two trees. Okay, XD means this point of observation and top of the smaller tree. These two answer we have to find out. So first we are going to find out the XD distance. Okay, for that we are going to use this right triangle. Okay, right triangle XCD. This right triangle we are going to use. Okay, so let us write AB comma CD be the two trees and X is the point on the ground. Now we are taking this right triangle XCD. Here angle of elevation is given 40 degrees, isn't it? So we have to find out this hypotenuse side. We have to find out this hypotenuse side. Hypotenuse, it is adjacent. So hypotenuse and adjacent means cos ratio we have to use. Okay, hypotenuse need to find out, adjacent value is there. Okay, so cos ratio can be used. Cos 40 value is given. Okay, so cos theta, do you remember cos theta formula? Adjacent by hypotenuse. So here cos 40 equal to cos 40 degree is equal to adjacent side is Cx by hypotenuse is xd. Okay, so cos 40 values, what is cos 40 given? 0.7660 equal to Cx by xd. Cross multiply it. 0.7660 into xd is equal to Cx. Okay, here what is the value of Cx? We have 8 meter, no? So xd only we have to find out. So Cx is 8. So from here xd is equal to Cx is 8. 8 divided by this value 0.7660. Okay, to cancel this decimal, let us multiply up and down by 10,000. 8 into 10,000 by 0.7660 into 10,000. Okay, here 4 decimal digits are there, so 10,000, which is equal to 80,000 divided by, it becomes 7660. Okay, here 0 can be cancelled. Remaining 8,000 divided by 766. Using 2 table, let's divide it. 4,000. Here 3 2s are 6. 1 balance, 8 2s are 16. 3 2s are 6. So which is equal to 4,000 divided by 383. Let us divide it. Okay. So as usual division, let us divide it. 4,000 divided by 383. So first 3 digit take it one time. 1383. Subtract it 17. So next 1 0 is there, take it, cannot divide, so 0 put it. So next decimal give. Here 1 more 0 give. Okay. So next how many times it can be divided? 4 times. 4 383 we have 1532. Subtract it to 168. Again cannot divide, put 0. Again 4 times. Okay, 1532. So 2 digit we got it, no, enough, etc. etc. So it can be right approximately 10.44. 10.44. It is given by meter. Okay, therefore distance between x and the top of the smaller tree xd equal to 10.44 meter. Okay. So second subdivision, the horizontal distance between the two trees. Okay, these two are the AB and the CD are the two trees. So this AC distance we have to find out. For that, this whole triangle, whole right triangle we have to take. Right triangle XAB we have to take. Okay, here also this AC means adjacent side we have to find out. The CX value is there. AC we have to find out. Okay, so we have to take this whole triangle XAB. Here hypotenuse value is there. Hypotenuse BX. Is it? Hypotenuse is BX for whole triangle. Here BD is 20 and DX value just now we completed 10.44. Okay, both we have to add it and one take for hypotenuse value. Opposite not necessary. Adjacent we have to find. So same cos ratio can be used. Okay, same cos ratio can be used. So for second subdivision, in right triangle XAB, whole triangle. Okay, XAB cos 40 equal to, here also adjacent side only we have to find out. Hypotenuse value is there, so cos ratio we are using. Okay, cos 40 is equal to, adjacent is AX by hypotenuse is BX. Okay, which is equal to, what is AX now here? See here AX means this whole distance AC plus CX. Okay, so AX can be right AC plus CX divided by BX is BD plus DX, which is equal to, what is AC value? AC value only we have to find out. What is CX value? 8 by what is BD value now? 20. It is given. Okay, plus DX value just now we completed 10.44. Okay, cos 40 value is given 0.7660. It is given. Okay, from here 0.7660 equal to AC plus 8 by this value add it to 30.44. Okay, let's cross multiply 0.7660 into 30.44 equal to AC plus 8. Okay, this both value multiply, we get 23.32 equal to AC plus 8. Let us take this 8 to this side. So 23.32 minus 8 equal to AC. Subtract it, we get 15.32 equal to AC. Therefore, AC equal to 15.32 meter. Okay, it can be right. Therefore, the horizontal distance between two trees AC equal to 15.32 meter. Okay, understood students? Note the homework question, exercise 6.2, second question. Okay, a road is flanked on either side by continuous rows of houses of height 4√3 meter. With no space in between them, a pedestrian is standing on the median of the road facing a row house. The angle of elevation from the pedestrian to the top of the house is 30 degree. Find the width of the road. Okay, so see the diagram, by that you can understand easily. Okay, it is ground level, means width of the road. It is width of the road. Both side houses. Okay, both side houses. This side as well as this side. Height of the houses is given 4√3. So both side it will be equal 4√3. 4√3 meter is given by meter. So median means middle. Okay, in the middle point there is a pedestrian. It is the position of the pedestrian. So angle of elevation of top of the houses to the pedestrian, okay, is given 30 degree. So here also houses, top to pedestrian. So it will be equal. Okay, center no, so it will be equal. Here also will be 30 degree. Now it become right triangle. As your wish, you can give name. Okay, A, B, C, D, anyway give the name. You have to find out width of the road. Let us take width of the road is AB. Anyway, as your wish, you can AB you have to find out. This A to this center. AB, this center take C. So AC and CB will be equal. If you need X, you can take. So first using any one right triangle and find out the X value. Okay. Then X plus X you can add. You get the answer. So you can give AB be the width of the road. This position C be the midpoint of AB. So AC equal to CB. Like that you can give AB width of the road. Width of the road. Then AC, C be the midpoint. C midpoint. So AC equal to CB will be equal. Let us AC equal CB equal X you can take. Okay. So any one right triangle take it. Here let us name it ACP. In right triangle PAC or CAP. What ratio you can use now? Here opposite side value is there. Adjacent you have to find out. So opposite by adjacent means tan ratio. Okay, tan 30. Tan 30 equal to what will come? 4√3 by X. Okay, tan 30 is 1 by √3. So by that X value you will get. Okay, complete it. Next, third question, exercise 6.2, third also homework. Okay, how to do I am explaining, listen carefully. To a man standing outside his house. Okay, the angle of elevation of the top and bottom of a window are 60 degree and 45 degree respectively. the height of the man is 180 centimeter, and if he is 5 meter away from the wall, what is the height of the window? Height of the window we have to find out. So by the diagram you can easily understand the question. Okay, just see the diagram properly. It is the ground level. Ground level. This side there is a house. It is the house. This side a man is standing. Man. So distance between the house and the man is given 5 meter away. 5 meter away. So it is eye level. It is ground level. So we have to join here. This horizontal line we have to join. It is eye level. It is man. Okay. Eye level we joined with this house. There is a window. There is a window. It is the window of the house. So what is given now? Angle of elevation of top from the window and bottom is given. Okay. So eye level and top of the window is given 60 degree, and bottom of the window and eye level is given 45 degree. Did you understand that? And this much only diagram. Okay. So height of the man is 180 centimeter, which can be write by meter. So this distance is given by meter, no? So 180 by 100. 180 by 100 is 1.8 meter. Okay. 1.8 meter. So this height also 1.8 meter. This distance 5 meters. So this distance also 5 meter. Let us name it A, B, C, D, E, F. As your wish you can name. Okay. Let A, F, height of the man. Height of man. AB is the distance between foot of the wall and the man. AB is the distance between, this is foot of the wall and the man. Okay. Here AB equal to CF equal to 5 meter, write it. Okay. Then DE be the height of the window. This one. DE. Height of the window. This one only we have to find out. Height meter. D be the height of the window. D equal to height meter. Let CD equal to x meter. This one. CD equal to x meter. This height only want to find height. For that this distance also we should know. So let us take this distance is x meter. Okay. So how will you do? Which ratio can be used here? What the opposite side only want to find out. So what ratio? Here adjacent value is there. So tan ratio you have to use. First of all, tan you have to take in right triangle DCF. DCF tan 45 equal to opposite by adjacent x by 5. Tan 45 is 1. So x value here you will get. Okay. Next you have to take the right triangle ECF. Here tan 60 equal to EC by CF. Okay. So by that you can get the answer. Okay. Heights value you have to find it. Okay. Complete it. Okay. So these are the today's question completed. Thank you students.